celebrate okufulumya statement yeyo?
I don't want to comment on anything. I don't want to say anything about that. But what is happening online, let it happen, and we move on. Yes, sir.
Mukyala Mulondo. Ebintu babirabye social media wagirabye abaana baleetedde Mulondo.
Why? No, I think not Brian Gambia. It's for all of us. Ne Brian, I think Olumu. Sometimes people pick out some parts of an entire interview. Never gamba, you know, this is the whole interview. Never would it is that the whole program chava from somewhere. And it was a general comment for all of us to be clean. Even Brian himself, are you smelling anything? Because I don't. Because also, is there anything from my mouth? And yet we don't drink, we don't, just me and you, we should just be courteous to each other. There's something that's a bit off, of it and you eat. It's not, the whole thing was taken out of context. Not that, there was not pain because I listened to the whole program. But I was so, none of your where it came from, that people just took it out of proportion. No, that's not what I said.
Manyi kye mwagala okukola naye tukiveeko. Nange simulabangako so tubiveeko. Temusudiya nsonga ebyayogeddwa byayogeddwa bya buloomu. Ndowooza interview. It doesn't make sense.